In this video, we're going to cover how to mark a check returned. One of our regular customers, John Wilkes Booth, has recently had a check returned, and we need to find it and mark it as such. We could search for customer and go that way, but instead, click on the check's entity. Now we're going to input the last name of the customer and his check number. Either of these things independently would return other results because you might have other customers with the name or other checks with that number. But because of the way our system works, you can type in these two dissimilar pieces of information and come up with something fairly unique. Now that we've found the check, we merely have to select it and click Edit out of the toolbar. In the check view, we see that this check is still marked good, and the red check returned info box is still empty. Click the check return box, then you can set the date that the check was actually returned, and you can type in a return note if applicable. And note how the system has automatically changed the check status from good to bad. Click Finish or F12 to finish up, and you note that the system prompts us, do we also want to mark this customer bad? We have the option of doing that right here, and our preview for this check now reflects the information that's been changed. And that's all you need to do to mark a check returned.